we will try means next time when we are doing this exercise also. Okay, so not just doing like this, we will try to go down. Okay, Rashmi, we will try. Also, I will try. It's hard. So because now we know how to balance, it's quite easy for us. Now we will go down more. Okay, and then we do at least in the practice so that because I saw Rashmi's legs, the angle is like missing sometimes. Okay, so we keep our legs down, down, down. So last time there was a request to do the Tribangi number 10. So Meda, you don't know from the beginning to the end, right? No, okay. So we will just recap. Now those of you who knows Tribangi number 10, actually maybe Mai さんはご存知ですか？トリバンギの10番覚えてますか？
少し覚えてます。
すごい。OK, very good. じゃあちょっと覚えてない人がいるので一緒にやってみますね。OK. Now we will start the number 10 Tribangi. Okay. Devashish, you will just follow the feet. 5, 6. Okay. So those of you, okay, Meda, the right hand is in Shuka Chanchu, first, third. Okay, and just here. Okay, now Koko also, Shuka Chanchu, and the left hand is, what is this? Hamsasya. Okay, like this. Okay. So, okay, Devashish also, you can try. Okay, but you try the hands also, but your focus should be on the feet. Okay. Now, keeping this hand, we will focus on our feet. 5. So, I will just show my feet, but the upper body is like this. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Start and they keep the they ta ki oops sorry ta ki ta they ki ta they ta ki ta ki ta they. Okay, so those of you who already know this step, what I will watch is they. Okay, now when you do ta, I don't want to see hip moving. So they, okay, hip is here, ta, they, only the torso. Ta, now here also, ta, ki no. Ta, keep your hip here, ki, ta, ki, ta, they, ki, ta, they, ta, ki, don't move your hip, ta, ki, ta, they. Okay, left side. 5, 6, 7, start, they, stamp, heel and stamp, toe, stamp, brush, heel, stamp, stamp, they, ki, ta, they, ta. Now don't move your hip here, ki, ta, ki, ta, they. Again, they. That's me. We will keep the hip down. Ta, ki, ta, ki, ta, they. And they. Ki, ta, they. Ta, ki, ta, day. Okay. So now you will show me 5, 6, 7, start and day. Kita day. Ta kita kita day. Day. Kita day. Ta kita kita day. Again, day. Kita day. Ta kita day. Stamp. Heel, stamp, stamp. Next toe. Stamp. Heel. Heel, stamp. Left side. Stamp. Heel, stamp, stamp. So, stamp. Heel. Heel, stamp, stamp. Again. Day. Heel, stamp, stamp. So, stamp. Heel. Heel, stamp, stamp. Stamp. Heel, stamp, stamp. Bend your right knee, Rashmi. Toe, stamp. Heel. Heel, stamp, stamp. Last time, day. Kita day. Ta kita day. Okay. Very good. Now, just show me, just adjust the screen so that I can see from the toe as long as possible. Okay. 5, 6, 7, start and day. Kita day. So, stand, brush heel, heel, stand, stand. Again, day. Heel, stand, stand. So, stand, good. Heel, heel, stand, stand. Again, day. Kita day. Ta kita day. Day. Kita day. Ta kita day. Again, day. Kita day. Ta kita last time day. Kita day. Ta kita day. Good. Okay. Penny. Okay, so first, Debashish, very good try. Okay, keep on trying. Now, Neda, the legs are very fine. Also, you're not lifting your hip. I like it. Only hand, this is like looking like this. No, this is opposite way. Like this, like this, like this. Huh? Okay, not like this. No, like this. You have to, it's a bit open. Huh? Got it? Yes. Okay. Debashish tried this beautiful. Very good. Yeah. Actually, you're made for a dancer. Okay. Soon we'll dance together. Okay. Maybe I'll do Shiva, you do Radha. Okay, good, madam. Now, Mari-san,ちょっと一個お願いがあって、they, he、こことかでちょっとヒップが久しぶりだから上がっちゃってるので、they, he、上げない。they、切ったではなくて、they、切った、they。た、ここも動かさない。た、ここが一番きつい。切った、切った、で。OK。そして、頭の、ちょっと指も、今日、今、もし鏡がなかったら、後で見といてください。こうやって、間隔が同じぐらい開くように。今、ちょっとなんとなくこんな感じになってるので、いいですか？お願いしますね。あとはバッチリ。OK？ そう、ヒップが上下しないように、もう固定する感じで頑張ってください。Rashmi, so you're good. Now, what I see is, okay, I don't see this opening like in a, like, you know, like open. It is like a little bit dull, okay? So what you have to do is, like, either you sleep lying like this, or you do this exercise, because how much ever you know, you have every groove, but this is not clear. Okay, it's like looking little bit like it's opening, but it's not quite. Okay. Now, Coco, you are also you are remembering everything, but you they keep ta de ta. No. Now, Coco, you are becoming from a baby girl to a girl. Okay? Not like this. You don't move your hip here. Here you are jumping. No, one, keep it here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now left leg. 5, 6, 7. Okay, sorry. 5, 6, 7, start, and day. Kick, ta, day. Ta, ki, no moving hip. Ta, ki, ta, day. Again, day. Ki, ta, day. Ta, no moving hip. Ki, ta, open knee, Rashmi, ta, day. Again, day. Ki, ta, day. Ta, ki, ta, good meda. Ki, ta, day. Again, day. Ki, ta, day. Ta, ki, good, my son. Ki, ta, day. Last time, day. Ki, ta, day. Ta, ki, ta, ki, ta. Let's do once more. And day. Come on. Ki, ta, day. Ta, ki, don't move, Rashmi hip. Ta, ki, ta, day. Very good. Very good. So, Meda, your hip is very stable, more than anybody. Huh? Very good. Thank you. Now, I'll put Meda in a pin spot. Everyone, please get inspiration. 5. Again. Right side. 6, 7. Start. And day. Kick. Ta. Day. Ta. Ki, ta, kit, ta, day. Day. Kit, ta, day. Ta, ki, ta, kita, left side, and day. Good. Kita, day. Ta, ki, ta, kita, day, day, kita, day, ta, ki, ta, kita, day. Good. Okay. So the point was that you don't move your hips. Huh? Okay, so I'll check later, everyone. Now we'll proceed. Next sequence. So dekita de, okay, so from here let's do kita de, kita de. So this is heel stand tribangi. Heel stand tribangi. Left heel stand tribangi. Heel stand tribangi. Okay. Again, right side with the hands. So Debashish, don't worry if you cannot do the hands. Just focus on the leg. And when the leg is paining, only focus on the hand. Okay. So this is the upper body. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Again, right side de. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Right side kita de. Kita de. Left side de. Kita de. Huh? Got it? Rashmi? Can I see kita de? 5, 6, 5. Everyone, you can join her. 5, 6, 7, stand. Kita de. Kita de. And kita de. Kita de. Thank you. So the thing is, we can do kita de, kita de. Okay, but here I am adding in the sense we are changing. Kita de. Now kita de. So neck is going kita de. Okay, so neck movement and head. So neck, head, neck, head. Got it? Just to give some, because you can do kita de, but just to make it a little bit more interesting, kita de, kita de, kita de, kita de. Okay. If it's difficult, you can do kita de, no problem. But I'm just giving you an idea. 5, 6. Only we will do this much. So Rashmi will just concentrate on your like how do you call it? Jiku Nihongo de. Like the weight which is going towards, you just bend the knee. Okay, 5, right side. 5, 6, 7, start. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Again, kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Kita de. Okay, so now also I will see you now. I don't want to see kita. I don't know, the hip movement. Okay, 5, slowly, 6, 7, start, and keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the perfect. Keep on doing. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Again, keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Last time, keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. So this was, I think, not so difficult, Debashish. Huh? It is not that difficult. Now, okay, so Meda good, Rashmi good. Okay, my son. The hand, it is becoming like this. This is this. Okay, so you can, if this is, I mean, according to your liking, you can just open this much, but it was looking as if it is like one straight, and then also like coming beyond the ring. Okay, so just make sure this has to be how do I put it? It is not this in any case. Okay, so if yeah, okay, good, yes, and also I think もしごめんなさい日本語だ視聴初心者の方で目の動きとかやるので顔のとかお時間があるときにちょっと出てくれるといいかなと思います。Yes. ちょっとギャップがあるかもしれないので。Okay. We will do it a little bit faster. 5. Okay, the same thing. 6, 7, start. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Again. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Keep the day. Again. Keep the day. 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 Again, keep the day. 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 Keep the good. Okay. Now, next one is quite interesting to do maybe. Hit the day. Create day. So, create day. Okay, so we will do stamp right and cross your left. Then cross and toe. Create day. So stamp toe. Toe stamp tribangi. Again, 5, 6, 7, start and stamp toe. Toe stamp tribangi. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. Create day. 1, 2, 3. So here when you do 1, 2, 3, everyone Normally, you guys are doing, you guys means everyone is doing 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. No hip going up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Start. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Debashish. 5, 6, 7. Start. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Start. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is just 1, 2, 3. This is in Mayura. Mayura, 1 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So not 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Torso opposite, change the opposite side. Okay, so torso to the right, torso to the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from Krete, 5, 6, 7, start. Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Start. Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Start. Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Start. Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start and Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. Good. So 1, 2, 3. I think Rashmi, the one is little bit too high. I think little bit 1 inch down. 1, 2, 3. This is in like one line. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Start and Krete, Krete. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yes, Meda. Okay, so we will go a little bit deep into the upper body. So when you do stand, so this is not side. Okay, the neck no. Crest day. The head is tilting. Then crest day. Now neck and neck. Neck and neck. And torso also. Eyes also. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start. Then crest day. Crest day. Crest day. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5. Sorry, 6, 7. Start. Crest day. Crest day. Crest day. 5, 6, 7. Start and crest day. Crest day. Crest day. 5, 6, 7. Start and crest day. Crest day. Crest day. 5, 6, 7. Start and crest day. Crest day. Crest day. 5, 6, 7. Start and crest day. Crest day. Crest day. Good. Okay. So when you do crest day, so the eyes. Okay. So let me put that. So, kita de. Now, kre de. You look there, not up. Okay, kre de. Now, from there to that side, kre de. Now, keep the eye there, only neck. Kre de. Okay, got it? Five. Again, 5, 6, 7. You are here. Kita de. Kita de. Now from here. Oh, you're already there. Kre de. Kre de. Are? Kita de. Kita de. Sorry. So because I'm doing opposite side. So from here, kita de. Kita de. Now kre de. Yes, sorry. Kre de. Okay. Kita de. Kita de. Now kre de. Kre de. Kre de. Okay. So everywhere. Also マリさんちょっと今回初めてだったら必ずここに自分の愛するものを置いてくださいね。切ったでここにも切ったで now くれで愛するものくれで愛するものくれで愛するもの愛するもの。So Debashish, remember you can just observe and learn even like when we are doing 1, 2, 3. You put something that you love. Okay. Then from here, there. Okay, it's kind of really fun dance inside. We are all getting excited. Okay, 5. Again, crete. Little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. From crete, crete. Crete. Day 5, 6, 7, start and crete, crete, day 5, 6, 7, start, crete, crete, day 5, 6, 7, start and 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 crete, crete, day 6, 7, start, crete, crete, day 5, 6, 7, start and crete, crete, day 5. Very good. Okay, no problem. So Coco, can you just go a little bit far away? Yeah, there. Can you show me? Everyone, please watch Coco. 5, 6, 7. Start. Crete. 5, 6, 7. Start. Crete. 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 Yeah. So thank you, Coco. So what I wanted to show is Coco. When Coco does, I can see the angles. Okay, she did mistakes with the steps, but her angle is very clear, you know, you have seen. So that is missing in all of the others. Okay, so those people like me, I have very short legs, so maybe I should sit more. Even if you have long leg, if you don't show the angles, it is not happening. Okay, now Meda, okay, I should be the, so Meda, you're doing fine, just keep on doing. Only just I'm telling you now, you cannot pay attention, like this hand becomes like this, so you can correct later. Okay. マイさん、この時にクレエデ、なんかこの時に、なんか力が入っちゃうんですね。クレエデ、なんかこう、ここでちょっと力みが入るんで、クレエデ。力むのは胴体だけ。クレエデ。余裕が、なんか多分、腕がちょっと伸びちゃってるのかな。うん。Okay. So we will do, I think, yes, kind of you know. So now we will do the overall. So we have started, remember, day. Ta, day. Ta, ki. Ta, day. Only let's do once and then left. Day. Kita, day. Ta, ki. Ta, kita, day. Now next day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 This much. Okay, 5, 6, I'll do only one. 6, 7, start, day. Kita, day. Ta, manas? Can I just show myself? Kita, left side, day. Kita, day, till the feet. Kita, kita, next. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 Okay, so the sequence is a little bit different from the original number 10, but this much I would like to see. First, with this speed, and we will do, of course, faster. 5, slowly. 6, 7, start, and day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 Okay. No problem. So, madam, just if you can do it, now you can concentrate. Crete, your elbow is going down. Crete, no. Open. This will not change. Not up, but okay. It is almost same level, but slightly down. Okay. And this, push your wrist. Again. So, できたで 5, 6, 7, start, and day. Kita, day. Ta, ki, ta, kita, left, and day. Kita, day. Ta, ki, ta, kita, next, and kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 Yes. Okay, now faster. Let's do only from here. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 5, 6, 7, start, and kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. 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 6, 7, start. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Kita, day. Crete. Crete. Krede. 5, 6, 7. Start. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Krede. 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 5, 6, 7. Start. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Krede. 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 5, 6, 7. Start. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Krede. 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 5. Last time. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Kitta de. Krede. 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 5. Okay, good. Okay, I know it was suddenly too fast. Okay, so today, Mai さんは、ワサンタパッラビーご存知なんでしたっけ？
やったんですけど、あんまり覚えてないです。
Okay, so, okay, so we will continue. Meda, have you done Vasanta Pallavi? Okay, so I will give you, if you have to go, you can go, but I will give you 1 minute. Okay, just water because I have to drink water. And then because the time is up, those of you who can remember Vasanta Pallavi, let's do it. Okay, now Debashish, you can copy, you have done now. If you're busy, you can go, or if you want to watch, that's good for the girls because then they will be like, okay. And then Coco, you can follow Didi, and after you get confused, just you can watch. Okay, so just 1 minute, please. Okay, I'll just get the music and then we'll do. So Debashish, this dance is about the springtime.
Okay.
In the springtime, the peacock dancing on the field. Oh, Coco, while I prepare, just show him the explanation with the words. Okay, just Coco will demonstrate before the dance. Unmute.
This is springtime. From the trees. This is springtime. The peacock opens its feathers and walks in the spring field. Krishna ties his hair and puts peacock feather. The flowers bloom and the birds sing. From the trees, new leaves sprout, and they are very, very soft. And the girls are looking for new love, wanting to be smitten by Kamadev. Ouch! We are injured. They walk like elephants. This is springtime. So let us sing and have some music.
Thank you, Coco. Okay, Debashish, you got the idea?
Yes.
Okay.
Coco is
so
Rishan's daughter, huh?
Yes.
Oh, she resembles Rajni so much. I'm like, okay, I've seen that face somewhere. Very nice.
Yeah, Coco has been the star of the online class.
Very
Okay, girls, where is Rashmi B? Mai-san, 大丈夫ですか？やってみましょう。バサントパッラビ。Okay. やってみますよ。So I will just play the music and then、ちょっと音源が違うかもしれませんが、もう本当に思い出すっていう目的なんで、ちょっと練習がてら、ちょっと時間過ぎててすいません。いきますよ。Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm starting.
tinda, rina kita tinda, ta tinda, rina kita tinda, ta tinda, karta ta tinda, ta tinda, karta ta tinda, kade ta tinda, karta ta tinda, ta de, ta kita de, karta de, ta kita de, de, kita de, de. Gita, Gita,
Thank you. Good. Are? Rashmi is gone. So, nice. 音楽ちょっと違いました？
したね。
うん？
振りの方も、
うん。
こんなに複雑ではなかったです。私が習ったのは。
ああ、そうか、そうか、そうか。なるほど、なるほど。Okay. Rashmi, thank you. How was it, Coco? You remember a little bit. Meda?
Only a little bit.
But you remember. You have performed with us.
Yeah, I know.
How was it? Yeah, how was it, Devashish? I mean, you know, we have audience today.
I know I'm just an audience, but I can tell you what, it was performance level. I mean, I was just thinking that what am I doing here? Right?
Now I'm determined to train Devashish. He has no choice but to continue. Because I want to see, you know, like it's also like just this little bit of movement. It's a really good exercise for people like Devashish, you know. So I want him to perform at least in Bhubaneswar.
No, I would love to. I think this is one thing I should. It's a challenge, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to do it.
So please, girls, help me to encourage him, because Odissi dance should be learned by any, of course, I mean, male are also dancing, but anybody. So, and he loves traveling by bicycle. So I'm just buying his, at least he has stamina. So let's see. Okay. So, okay. So, マイさん、もし、オンラインクラスをやるんだったら、初心者クラスとか全部一応出れるときは出放題なので、全部いろいろ出て、ちょっとやっていただけると嬉しいです。で、okay, so thank you so much, girls. So we haven't finished credit kita tunata tomta dada dargenda, but today I just wanted to focus on also like Rashmi, my since because I'm here to watch you every week. Every week I want to see your improvement on the wrist flexibility. Okay. So the legs are bending now because you're also conscious. The bending of the knees, that is fine. And I think today your wrists were a little bit better. I don't know. I felt. Yeah. I felt it's better. But please, let's, use this chance now also still lockdown. So please work on it and quickly learn, quickly improve on this wrist and all, so that at least it will look like decent. Okay. Coco, you are good, but the only thing is that your hip is moving up and down. That you have to rectify. Okay. Otherwise, everything is fine. Only thing is like you're like, I am like Coco, I'm small girl. No. Okay, now you have to be a small baby girl. No. Now you're a small girl. Okay. So hip movement, no. When you're doing Odissi. Okay. Other time, no problem. Okay. So, and Mega is, yes, good. So you please today's part at this. I'll send you video. Okay, just see yourself. And I think the body, the coordination, everything you got, only like now you have to come to the, small part. Okay. All right, girl. Sorry, it's become too late. And thank you so much. And keep, even if you cannot do, Devashi, keep trying. Okay, and when we are showing something, we need also audience, some soft audience.
I'm always up for that.
Yes, great. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So good night,
Good night.
everyone.
Bye.
Good morning, Rashmi.
Good
Have a
morning.
good day. Bye-bye.